Last time branding was emotional, and we learned that with the right settings, targeting emotions as a branding strategy can bring exceptional results. We also found out that experiences are crucial when it comes to emotional branding, but they're also an important step of the next model, today's subject of study, the viral branding. Before we get into the details of viral branding, it's important to understand that what is commonly known as viral in today's social media is slightly different than what viral refers to in branding context. Although both of them point out the fast virus-like spread of something between people, getting viral in social media usually relies on the material itself, whereas in the branding context, getting viral depends on the people the brand decides to work with and not necessarily the material itself. Let's start by its basic principle. Viral branding assumes that consumers and not firms have the most influence in the creation of brands, so they must discover brands on their own. Therefore, brands need people who can use their product and share their experience with others. Does it ring any bell? Yes, influencer marketing, which is the closest form of viral branding that we can see today. Influencers are usually perceived as experienced users who know how to find a good product. So the fact that they're users and not marketers doubles the chance of them affecting people's buying decision. Why? Perhaps because they're considered as in-group members in the dual world of companies and users. Another reason that influencer marketing is so popular is that influencers, or at least a group of them, show how they feel using a product or service in compelling ways. And that triggers emotional contagion, which involves the convergence of our emotional state with the emotional state of those we're observing or interacting with. The primary reason that brands choose celebrities as their ambassadors, because the likelihood of them triggering emotional contagion is higher. As you've already guessed it, in the viral model, brand equity is located in the brand's hold on influential people. Therefore, a simplified viral branding strategy can focus on two repetitive steps. A. Trying to bring the brand to attention by connecting it to influential people. And B. Creating an environment where customers discover the brand and product and share their experience with others. This way, the brand might end up with a more socially relatable DNA. But the one branding strategy that is all about society and culture is, of course, the cultural branding, the last of the four branding strategies that we tend to discover in the next video.